morning children. I hope you are all good. We will continue our lesson. Transport in plants. Previously we discussed a part from that. What are the different substances transporting in plant and by which methods? Diffusion, osmosis, facilitated diffusion. Up to this we are completed. Now, water potential. Water potential, which plays an important role in transport of water. To transport, water transportation takes place in plant body means this water potential is plays important role. So, what is water potential? Water molecules in a system continuously they are in moving condition. Continuously water molecules are moving, whether they are in gaseous state or liquid state. So, if you have taken a system in that water molecules are moving continuously, it means moving object will have kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So, water molecules having kinetic energy. This kinetic energy having more when water concentration is high. Water concentration is high. It means more amount of water is present in a system means then kinetic energy is also high. Kinetic energy is also high or a greater kinetic energy is present in that system. If you have taken a solution, if it contains more water molecules, then it has more kinetic energy because they are moving randomly. The water molecules are moving continuously. More water molecules are present means kinetic energy also more. And here with to say simply high or greater molecules or greater concentration of water molecules in a system that it has greater kinetic energy or water potential. Water potential. So, high water concentration is present in a system, then it possesses high water potential. ఎక్కువ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ ఉంటే ఆ సిస్టంలో వాటర్ పొటెన్షియల్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. That kinetic energy is seen as water potential. This water potential can be written by a symbol psi. And pressure units for water potential are pascals. Pressure potential, water potential units are pascals. Water potential can be shown by psi. And now, if we are taking water potential, pure water potential. Pure water means nothing is there in that water. Only H2O molecules are present. Water molecules మాత్రమే ఉంటాయి. No any other components are dissolved in the water. In such a case that it has water potential 0. Pure water having water potential is 0. Water potential potential of pure water is 0. It means this pure water means having greater concentration of water molecules. We are saying that no any other impurities or any other particles are dissolved in this. No any other particles are dissolved in this. It means having greater concentration of water molecules. In such a case, water potential is 0. Water always move from high water potential to lower water potential. Lower water potential area. Water is moving from high water potential area to low water potential area, which means simply in which system having more number of water molecules, from that system water moves to a system which contains low or less number of water molecules. Imagine the situation, two systems having in contact, and here you are finding more number of water molecules, which means that high water potential, and here having low water potential. In this case, in this system, two systems are in contact, one having high water potential, which means having more number of water molecules, and the other system containing less number of water molecules, which is low water potential. In this case, water moves from A to B because of here high water potential, and here this is with low water potential. So you need to remember that water always move from its high water potential area to low water potential area. Okay, ma? Then solutions. In case any impurities are there or something is generally the water which we are using, it is not pure water. It has some components like minerals, salts that are dissolved. So in such a case, that water potential will not be 0. When some other particles are added in water, in that case availability of water molecules is less, so that they will have less kinetic energy. Water molecules are less because other components are dissolved in water, that is not pure water. In that case, kinetic energy is less, so automatically water potential will be decreases. Water potential will be decreases. For example, solute which is dissolved in that. Okay, ma? Factors that shows effect on water potential. Mainly two factors will show effect on water potential. So here the component is solute potential. Solute potential. Already here we discussed that solutions which having solute. Here also, if we are added solute to the pure water, then automatically availability of water molecules will decrease, then water potential will decrease. If you increases solute concentration, then water potential will decreases. Solute concentration is increasing means automatically water potential will decrease. If you are increasing solute concentration, then water potential also decreases and decreases continuously. Solute concentration, how much that you are increasing, that much water potential will decreases. That can say as solute potential can show by side S. So solute potential, which means solute concentration increasing means automatically water potential will decrease. And other factor is pressure. Pressure. If we applied pressure more than atmospheric pressure, in that case this pressure helps to, you are going to apply more pressure on water. In that case water potential also increases, because you are supplying some energy in the form of pressure. So if you are supplying more pressure, then automatically water pressure also increases. So here pressure potential can show by psi P, and water potential increases due to the pressure potential. And here we are saying that increases if we applied more pressure, then water pressure increases. It means it will be more than 0, then it will be 1, 2, 3 and so on. Okay, ma? So always water potential is influenced by these two factors, solute potential and pressure potential. Solute potential is always with the minus values, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Pressure potential will be 1, 2, 3 because of it helps to increase the water potential. So always this water potential is influenced by the solute potential and the pressure potential. So with this we can conclude a equation. Water potential is equal to pressure potential and the solute potential. Okay, ma? Once I will again. This water potential plays an important role in transportation of water. Water molecules in a system continuously, they are in moving condition. Moving have kinetic energy. Any moving object molecules concentration is there means then kinetic energy is also high or water potential is also high. It means in that system more water molecules are there means there is possibility for movement. ఎక్కువ మూమెంట్ జరగడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్స్ మూమెంట్ జరగడానికి పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ వాటర్ పొటెన్షియల్ కెన్ బి షోన్ బై psi and pressure units for water potential is Pascal. Pa, pure water, it means without any impurities, no any other particles, only H2O molecules is present at atmospheric pressure without any other temperature in the normal temperature. In that case pure water having water potential is 0. High water always move from high water potential area to low water potential area. Where more number of water molecules are present, from that it moves to the system where low or less number of water molecules. Then water potential can be affected by two factors, solute potential and pressure potential. Solute potential means if we are adding some solute particles to pure water, then automatically water potential will decreases. Decreasing means it is less than 0. Less than 0 value means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. And similarly pressure potential, if we are applying some pressure more, it means more than atmospheric pressure. In that case it helps to increase the water potential, that it will be 1, 2, 3 and so on. From these two, it means factors which are affecting water potential, we can conclude an equation. Water potential is equal to solute potential and pressure potential. Thank you, ma'am. We will continue our lesson in the next class.